Hey y'all, it's your girl Shay Elise back with another video. So, funny story, these were actually supposed to be my prep for my soft locks, but those were taking too long. So if y'all want to see how I did this style, just stay tuned and watch the video. Alright y'all, so this is right after I washed, conditioned, did my whole wash day routine, and I put my hair into 8 plaits, detangled and put them into 8 plaits. So what you want to do is pretty much part your hair into sections how like you would pretty much braid your hair. I don't know if you guys braid hair or anything, but I think I did 2 sections in the back and then 5 sections after that back section. So you'll see what I'm doing here. And how I part my sections, I'll part it straight across and then I'll put some shine and jam on top of the part, and then I'll part it again to kind of give it that 3D type of look to make sure it's really defined to get that best part. I also wanted to say that I usually part from ear to ear, also kind of like pretty much how like a frontal would be. So I section the very back from ear to ear on my nape, and then I'll section from ear to ear on my crown, kind of like a frontal, and then I'm gonna go ahead and part the entire back. So like I said, I do those 2 rows in the back on my nape, and then I do 5 rows towards the top. And then I'm going to show you guys how I part the front of my hair too, but you'll kind of have to look more towards the mirror to actually see what I'm doing. But I positioned my camera so y'all could see exactly what I'm doing. So like I said, up here, I'm doing those 5 rows in the front. I'm going to part with my regular comb, then put that shine and jam on the part, and then I'm going to part again with that rat tail comb to get that extra defined part. So like I said, since I was doing this prep for my soft locks that I ended up not doing, I didn't get all of the footage, but I just wanted to let y'all know that I started with 3 in the back for the basis, and then you're going to go with that bricklayer pattern. So the bricklayer pattern is when you part directly in between the braid underneath to make it kind of like a staggered look. And then I braided halfway through the section, and then I twisted the rest of the way down. So like I said, I didn't get all of it, but here is the final look after all of the braids and twists were installed. So as you can see, they're really full, really pretty. I did get kind of lazy towards the top, so that's why those sections are a lot bigger than the other braids. But like I said, this is a really cute style. I ended up wearing it for about, I think, 2 to 3 weeks. I just didn't want to take them out. And I was like, you know what? I should go ahead and lock my hair. But since it was braided at the top, it was going to lock a lot slower at the top than at the bottom. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to take them out and then I'll lock my hair another time. And here's another video, a cute little video of me with it styled. So like I said, if you like this video, you guys always like, comment, and subscribe. And thank y'all for watching.